Can you name this cheesecake after me?
Of course.
Yeah,
Totally.
thank you.
Tanmai's favorite.
You can
My
choose
favorite.
your own name. Be creative
Yeah.
with it.
How cheesecake should be done. Not idli sambar cheesecake.
That is the right.
Okay, that's the name.
Hmm.
Alright.
Yeah.
What else do you hate about people who make desserts?
Like who sell them? Because we have a lot of points for that.
Please tell me.
Overpriced desserts. That's number one.
Yeah, we were discussing that right now. Since we know how much it takes to make a cookie maybe, and then people sell it for like 250, 300 bucks.
4,000 rupees ka ek cookie.
That has actually
Okay.
happened.
Oh, dude, I've been eating cookies nowadays where is it me or are the cookies becoming chapati sized?
Yeah,
Massive.
Starbucks has that.
Yeah, they are
Massive
huge
cookies.
cookies. Yeah.
I have never bought a cookie and not been able to finish it. That started happening to me recently where it's too much cookie.
See, you went to the US
Portion
recently
control
and
is
the portion
important.
size is there. I'm like,
US में
Massive.
मतलब कुछ शर्म ही नहीं है. Every a la carte is a buffet. It's the same thing. There's
Prerna,
no
I can't wait to move to the US just for that reason.
for what? The font sizes.
Just eat all the time.
Dude, they have in the US. They have like soft drink counters which are just open. Like,
oh,
there's
now
no-
you have free refills and all.
They have free
Yeah.
refill. And I went to this amusement park and they had the open soft drink counter. Anyone who comes to the park can just take a glass and drink. Like,
That's nice. That's
it's stupid. How can you trust people like that? I would.
That is the reason.
If
it's
you
not
return in
like
India,
that.
it would be robbed the first day.
that's why it's not in India.
Exactly.
There's just no. They have so much trust in their people. यहाँ पे मतलब
It must be nice.
I know we went to the US and I found out that McDonald's is apparently not a big deal in the US. For us, like McDonald's is like cool food. Like I would go to McDonald's. You remember when McDonald's had come, you'd celebrate our birthdays in
Yeah,
McDonald's.
That was a long time ago.
That was
That's a long time ago. Now it's not as cool. I get it, but it's still not giving it. Now it's not as cool, but in the US, McDonald's was like the recognizable brand. So सुबह मैं और come off breakfast. We were jet lagged, so wake up at 6 o'clock. We got up hotel, like we need to eat something because we've been up since 4 o'clock. We should go to McDonald's and we're like, oh, fucking McDonald's, we need something. And just homeless people in McDonald's. It's just homeless people in McDonald's. And we were just like, what the fuck is going on? And we realized that over there, McDonald's is not as cool.
Is it really cheap there? Like
Yeah, it's like $2.
cheap for them.
for
Oh,
the
okay,
thing.
wow.
But I feel like here also people are bored of McDonald's. At least I am.
It's not at least homeless people.
Yeah, that is
It's not homeless people.
It's not cheap, but like there's much cheaper food than McDonald's here.
Vada pav.
Yeah, like restaurant पे खाओ तो
I have one crazy rule at McDonald's. I'm being so not classy right now.
no, we're gonna totally keep that. That's what we're thumbnail.
Yeah.
Right there.
Just eating my fucking thumbnail.
It's a very video. Please keep the thumbnail. Awesome.
Do it. But we were at the McDonald's and there's this guy who came in. He had this cutest puppy. Okay, but he was a
And
homeless
then
puppy.
you called it Pichu.
Yeah, of course. So I go on my phone. I'm like, hey, American Pichu, let's do a thing. I put on Snapchat, and then this guy insisted I pay him for it.
Oh my
He was like,
god.
that'll be $10, sir. And I said, what? What are you talking about? He said, that'll be $10. I said, I just pet your dog. He's so cute. It'll be $10. And he followed me outside all the way to my
Oh my
car.
God,
He was just
that
like,
is
you gotta pay me. You gotta pay me. I said, what? For taking a picture of your fucking dog? I delete it. I don't want.
But I saw that snap. You didn't delete it, right?
Much later, like an hour later, I was just like,
Oh, okay. So
because we got into the car and then we were driving and I told Kamal, like, can you believe this was happening and this, that, and all that.
Wow.
It was crazy. It was crazy. Everybody there is crazy.
your
Give this
Indian trip was the most excited I've seen Khamba, by the way. Like he was like
Yeah,
a
he
kid.
is.
This is Kamba excited. I'm so happy. I'm super happy right now.
But you
Yeah.
Snapchatted a lot.
Yeah.
That's rare.
Yeah, I Snapchatted a fair amount. I Snapchatted my ass off. I
But
did
you do
some-
that once.
all
So
the
it's
time.
fine. You can do that right now if you want. We are totally cool with it.
Let's do it. Let's do it right now.
Okay, cool.
Hey guys, just hanging out with the people from Bakelicious. Go to their YouTube channel and subscribe. I'm actually going to be in the video. See, there's a camera. There's proof.
And that's Rupu. Never mind.
Spell B.
You know, I was so like worried. I was like, listen, he's friends with Pooja and Hingra. He's had like the best.
Yeah,
of
that's
desserts.
what I thought too actually.
हम लोग उसके पास ऐसे लेके जा रहे हैं
है ना?
Pooja. So Pooja dislikes me and my taste in desserts. I'll tell you why. Because
Can you criticize her?
no. I love her stuff. It's great.
Okay.
I actually just got a book. So
Yeah.
she once asked me saying, "What are your favorite desserts?" So I said, okay, "Let me tell you. My favorite dessert ever is like this is when I'm not outside. Okay, if you're at home, you call something. What I like doing, I like taking bonbon biscuits, putting them in milk, so they become really
I'm
gooey.
not liking this. I eat
Yeah.
I like this. I love
Yeah,
it.
so put bonbon biscuit inside milk, and then I put it in the freezer, so it becomes cold, and then just for a little bit. So you take it out, it's cold, gooey bonbon
That
biscuit.
sounds
mix
good.
it.
I would like
It
it.
is
I don't know.
delicious. It's so she's like it's so good. It is amazing.
No, I love bonbon, so I think I would like
I like bonbon, but I don't like soggy biscuits.
You should do
No, but
something
I
on
like
Baking Dishes
pudding.
with biscuits and how can you turn biscuits into sexy dessert.
You could have told us this, we would have done it for you.
So I'll tell you what else I like. You can do it again. Come back again. I'll tell you what.
And next time, get everyone.
Next time, do experimental desserts and please try it on me. So what else? You know Puran Puri?
Yes, I love Puran
I'm
Puri.
good.
So Puran Puri in a glass, you heat it. Okay, and then you wrap it up and put it in a glass.
Alright.
You pour cold milk inside it. So and then it soaks up the Puran Puri and then you eat that.
That's
Does
like,
anyone approve of this? She does.
She's
It is so
fine.
good. I'm a huge fan of stuff that is soggy. So I love dipping biscuit.
Okay.
I love dipping biscuit in chai because it becomes this.
so you wait until the biscuit
Yeah,
falls.
It falls, should go, finish the chai and then remaining at the biscuit ke matlab.
Yeah, I do that in my cereal. I like soggy cornflakes and stuff. So maybe it's similar.
Yeah, it is. Yeah, soggy.
Yeah.
Soggy is nice. Even bread in Bonvita. Maybe put bread in Bonvita, the bread becomes
Oh,
soggy.
What is happening right now?
Rohan had on Twitter like, is Milo better or Bonvita?
Milo.
Milo.
I didn't have either, so.
Oh, I'll get you Milo next time.
Is it big?
Rohan will get you.
I love it. Like I stopped.
Why is Milo better?
I don't know. I just stopped having milk after Milo.
Okay,
stopped
so
in
Milo used to be made in India and then they stopped production. So everyone was heartbroken because that's all we ever had when we were younger.
Is it back? It's back now?
India. Yeah.
It's back.
Like you
It's
get
not
it
made
in
here.
stores which have imported stuff.
Yeah, it's imported now.
Fancy.
Fancy. So it's like expensive now. But yeah.
But why is Milo better? No one's answering this question.
I don't
It's,
know.
I feel it's chocolatier. I like it better and it's sweeter.
What is better, Milo and Bonvita? Comment. And
This
let
video
us
is
know.
going to be so difficult to identify.
Yeah. But just keep jumping. It's fine.
Or we just
Alright.
keep all of this. Why not?
Keep it all.
People will watch it for you.
Just make me look nice. Don't make me look gross with my fucking thing. Shit.